morning. This morning I already had my breakfast and I have my coffee and I have my smoothie. So I've just been hanging on the couch. I have a few classes later and I'm just doing some thumbnails for my old videos. I was so tempted to do Vlogmas this past month. And I kind of regret not doing it. And again, I've been slammed with my schedule lately. So it's probably, what is that? Does that makeup? It's probably a better thing that I didn't do Vlogmas, but I'm still trying to keep up with my schedule every Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday. Good morning, by the way. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jasmine McDonald and I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sundays. I actually have some exciting news. I have a new job, Flex Space. I think I talked to you guys earlier about this, and the two owners, Gemma and Jana, are phenomenal movers and teachers and founders. They're absolutely incredible. So I'm so blessed to have this opportunity to work with them. So last night we had a class at 7 and it was a middle splits class, and tomorrow I'm teaching again. Tonight I'm teaching a couple privates. So I don't really have anything until 3 o'clock today. So I think I'm gonna do a ballet class, point work. The snow is crazy right now. Today I would have liked to have gone to the studio to do in-person classes, but the snow is absolutely crazy. I don't think I can get out of my driveway. So I'm gonna do a class at home and keep it pretty low key. And I'm gonna take you guys with me today. So I'm just working on my thumbnail. Like, I don't know where else to put that shoe. I think it's just gonna go on my butt. I think that's how it's gonna go. I'm like looking at it like, what is that? Anyways. Just finished a ballet class and some pointe work. I'm going to go shower. I got pretty sweaty. I also did a reel, and then I think I'll have some lunch with Steve. And then I'm gonna work on the exam stuff for my students, as well as some curriculum for my new job, which I'm so excited about. I have a bar fit class this Sunday, so I'm really looking forward to that. And I also have a class tomorrow. I had my first class with them last night, and it was awesome. They crushed it. Pointe shoes are off. Feet are sweaty and smelly. I'm gonna go shower. Okay guys, we're gonna have some lunch. I ended up not showering because I figured I'd shower at the end of the day when I finish teaching because I'll get sweaty again. So yeah, I just changed into some comfy pants. And then I'm gonna do some curriculum work for my exam. I'm gonna do some paperwork for some of my students. I'm gonna do some choreography, and then I'm gonna wrap presents. So, oh, that's a good kitty. So I was about to wrap all of my Christmas gifts, and then I realized I have everything. I have the wrapping paper, I have the gifts, I have the scissors, and I don't have the tape. So instead of wrapping my gifts, I am going to make little snowflakes and answer some questions I asked you guys on my Instagram. Those of you who don't follow me on Instagram, my name is Jassome, Jasmine. I'll put my Instagram here as well as my handle. Go follow me on there. I post pretty frequently, and I also post a lot of my TikTok, which is the same name but with another S. Somebody took my name. Jassome, and I post there like 5 times a day when I'm really bored. But anyways, I'm going to answer some questions from my Instagram. I will be doing a separate Q&A for the end of the month, but I thought this would be a cute way to answer a couple quick questions on Instagram. So if I can remember correctly, you're supposed to fold the snowflakes in half, right? I know you can print out designs of them too, and you can fold them in half, or you can fold them in like a quarter and do it from the corner that way. Watch, it's gonna be a disaster. Joshua Zidek asks, what do you love and don't love about dancing? That's a really good question. So let's go first with the things I love. I love how dancing is something you can take anywhere with you. You can dance in your living room, you can dance in your bedroom, you can dance at a dance studio, you can dance pretty much anywhere. It doesn't require any specific equipment other than a floor and yourself. You don't even really need a bar for ballet. Like I use a chair, I don't even have a real bar. I love that anybody can do it, and I love that it's completely, it feels like it's part of you when you're dancing. It's so personal. Dancing is so personal. It's not just like I played this note correctly. I mean, of course, music and piano has its own feel to it as well, but it's a little bit more subjective and a little bit more personal. I don't know, it's like your body making art. It's kind of crazy. It's fun. Honestly, the reason I got into dancing when I was a kid is because I had friends. I made friends there. I didn't make a lot of friends in school. To be honest, I had like 2 or 3 friends when I was in middle school. We were super cool. Yeah, I didn't have too many friends in middle school, so dancing was like where I had so many friends, and I'm a very social person, so I just got along there with my dance friends the most out of anybody. So I definitely love it for the social aspect, because the camaraderie that you find in the dance community is completely like no other. I mean, I've done retail jobs, and absolutely the people there are exquisite. They're super lovely, they're super friendly, but you know, when you have a ballet dancer friend or a dance friend in general, you get along on a different level. It's like your sisters or brothers or whatever. So I love the camaraderie, and I love the feeling after when you finish a really difficult performance, let's say like Swan Lake, or you're just doing class even. I feel so rewarded after, especially now in my dance career. I used to feel very down on myself when I couldn't get something right or if I messed up performance, and now when I'm just dancing for myself, I'm like, oh my gosh, that was awesome. That was so much fun. I feel like I can go conquer the world now. So I just feel confident. That's what I love most about dancing, and that anybody can do it. What don't I love about dancing? Injuries, the atmosphere of the ballet world specifically, and the dance world. You hear a lot about like terrible stories of, I don't know, directors telling dancers certain things, or dancers telling other dancers things. Like I've firsthand experienced that, and it was not for me. I do not have that thick skin. Like I can take criticism, believe me, I'm on the internet, I can take criticism, you know, and I still love myself regardless of what other people think. But it's completely different when your boss tells you that you don't look good. That being said, I loved my work experience. I wouldn't take it away for the world, but that's something I wouldn't love. I don't love how a lot of places are still backwards in their thinking about what a ballerina should be and what a dancer should be. I mean, there's so much more than a body. So I don't love that. And I don't love the injuries, and I don't love pay I did not love. Okay, next question from your girl, Rebecca. I have IBS. Should I give up on ballet? Tooting away during a performance isn't very nice, lol. I love that, honestly. Don't give up on ballet just because you're gassy. Real ones aren't gonna care. Real friends aren't gonna care. And professional people aren't gonna care. Like, so what? It's like anything. You go into a workplace and somebody toots, it's a toot. I'm sorry. Get over it, you know? Like, do you really think the audience is gonna smell you, first of all? And second of all, with all the hairspray and everything else, they're gonna actually care. Second question, do you think I'll be judged for the constant bathroom trips if I join ballet? Absolutely not. If you are, who cares? The people who judge you have bigger problems and could be worrying about way bigger things in the world, honestly. That's my mentality anyways. If somebody's judging you on something other than your character and other than how you treat others, it isn't worth your stress. I made a huge mess doing this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you know what it looks like? It looks like, oh, I can't think of who it is. It's a cartoon or something. Ta-da! Let's see how this one turned out. This one looks like a mess. You know it's good when it's hard to undo. That's my favorite one so far. Tempted one. And the last one. Hi guys, so I just finished teaching my last ballet class. I have a couple more private tutoring classes tonight, and I think I'm just going to leave it on this note and end the video here. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, by the way. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next and if you're just as excited for the holidays as I am. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe and bye now. And I know that I